Hello and congratulations on receiving your digital certificate and your badge. I'm going to show you how to add this badge to your social media account. The first thing to do is in the email that you've received, click on the badge. This will open it up in your browser and you can save it down onto your computer, and you might want to give it a name. So we will now complete the details of the badge on LinkedIn. The first thing is go back to the email. The email will have the title of the badge, which is here. And we can put that into the first line. And also the name of the issuing organization is also in the email. And the beautiful thing is that if that organization is already on LinkedIn, you can link to them directly. Then pick the date it was issued, and if there is an expiry date, you can add that as well. Now, in terms of the credential ID, you go back to the email again and you will find the certificate number here. And for the credential URL, you have two choices. You can either put in the badge, but we recommend that you put in the certificate email, certificate address URL, because that has more information. So open up your certificate and copy the address, the URL of the certificate into this field. When it comes to skills, LinkedIn wants you to select from the list that you already have, or maybe you can add new skills as well. So the best thing to do is go back to the certificate itself, because it will identify a description of the skills, and based on what the description says, you can add new skills into that particular certificate. So in this case, it would be networking and maybe business development. These skills are already on your LinkedIn profile and people can search for them. And when they search for them, they also link to this badge or certificate that you have received. When it says add media, you go back and upload a picture, that little picture that we have saved straight from the line. For some reason, LinkedIn will chop them off a little bit, but nevertheless, it's all there. We also recommend for the description, it's worth going back to the certificate and cutting and pasting into the aims of the event. We want to carefully copy and paste the aims of the event into the description. That will help people identify exactly what that course was all about or event. And now you're ready to say. It will immediately offer it for you to share it with your network. So you can write a little article and post it straight into your network. And finally, this is what the details we have just entered will look like for other people on LinkedIn. So your skills will now be the networking skills that we picked, and the business development skills will be linked to that certificate that we have just added, and also to the company who provided that certificate. So people can check what that course was all about, what the details were, how you received it, and what the value or skills that you gained out of it were.